Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we are going to understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for fisheries and aquaculture business. So here let's suppose that I have a business of fisheries and aquaculture, and to promote it, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I wish to add the lead details in a Google Sheet. So now to do this, I need to build a connection between these two applications, for which I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect follows the concept of trigger and action. So here to do this, my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads and my action application will be Google Sheets. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen.
In this video, we are going to understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for fisheries and aquaculture business. So I have a fisheries and aquaculture business, and to promote it, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheets in a new row. So now to automate this entire process, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, and as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button, and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm signing in. So now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly Connect. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I'm going to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for fisheries and aquaculture business. So here on my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders which I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads automation, because this is an automation which involves Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. So here I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of a trigger application, and in a workflow, we can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for fisheries and aquaculture business. So as I'm promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads, so here in this trigger window, I'm going to search for Facebook lead ads as my trigger application. And the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I'm going to receive a new lead, then this workflow is going to run automatically. Now moving to my action window, as I want to add the lead details in a Google Sheet. So here Google Sheets will be my action application. And the action event will be to add new row. So over here, as you can see that I have selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. My objective is to add the Facebook lead ad details in a Google Sheets automatically. So now to do this, I'm going to automate this entire process by using Pabbly Connect. So over here, firstly, I need to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So in order to do that, here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, you just have to connect with your Facebook lead ads. So I've already opened it in one of the tabs. So here I'm going to click on connect. So here you can see that the authorization was successful. Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to the page and the lead gen form. So here I need to select my Facebook page and the lead gen form which is associated with my Facebook page. So this here is my Facebook page by the name of Splash Haven Aquaculture. So here in Pabbly Connect, from this drop down, I'm going to search for my page, and here it is. So I've selected my page. And now moving to the lead gen form associated with my page. So here in Meta Business Suite, these are the lead ads form. So I've created this form by the name of Splash Haven Aquaculture Contact Form, and this is how the form looks like. So I'm going to use this lead gen form. So as the name is Splash Haven Aquaculture Contact Form, so here in Pabbly Connect, from this drop down, I'm going to select the form. So as I've selected the page and the lead gen form associated with it, here I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. So as I did that, here you can see it is waiting for a webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So in order to create a test submission, I will go to this new tab, and here I am going to search for Meta for Developers. I will go to the page. And here in Meta for developers, I will go to My Apps. And over here, I will go to Tools. So here under Developer Tools, I will go to this Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So this here is the Lead Ads testing tool, and this tool is going to test our connection. So here from this page drop down, I'm going to search for my page. So here I'm searching for my page, and here is my page. I've selected it. After selecting the page, then from this form drop down, I'm going to select the form, and here I'm going to click on preview form. So this here is the lead gen form, and over here I filled in the details of full name, phone number and the email. So now I'm going to click on next, and here I'm going to click on submit. And you can see it says thanks, you are all set. Your test lead has been sent. That means the test lead which I've just created right now would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect, and over here you can see that we have received a response. So here is the full name, here is the phone number, here is the email along with the created date and time and some other details. So the first objective of this automation is set up. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the lead details over here in Pabbly Connect, now I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheet. So in order to do that, I need to establish a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on Connect. And now to add a new connection, you just have to sign in with your Google account. So here I'm going to click on Allow, as this is a secure access. And the authorization was successful. So here you can see that Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to the select spreadsheet and the select sheet part. So this here is the Google Sheet that I've created by the name of Facebook Leads New, and it only consists of 3 columns. First is of lead email, second is of lead name, and the third one is of phone number, and it only consists of 1 sheet. So in this Google Sheet, I want to add the Facebook lead details. So in order to do that, here in Pabbly Connect, firstly I'm going to select my spreadsheet as Facebook Leads New. And as I've selected it, so over here the selected sheet is sheet 1 automatically because it only consists of 1 sheet. So here in Pabbly Connect, now I need to mention the detail of lead email, lead name and the phone number. So in order to mention these details, I'm going to use a method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous step. So as I've received the response from Facebook lead ads, so here I'm going to map the details. So as you can see, I've mapped the details. This method of mapping is important so that every time I'm going to receive a new response, so that new response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So in order to avoid that problem, we map the information over here. So as I've mapped the details, here I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And here you can see that I have received a response, and this here is a positive response. That means in my Google Sheet, in a new row, the details of the lead would have been added. So now I'm going to take you to my Google Sheet. So here in this Google Sheet, you can see the lead email and the lead name and the phone number is successfully added over here in this Google Sheet in a new row. So that means now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the lead details will be added in my Google Sheets. So this automation is a successful one. That means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically it will be added in my Google Sheets in a new row. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.